Put this on. So I don't bring so much sawdust into the house. You don't realize, whenever you buy these things, you gotta watch out for all these dudes. You know, they'll fuck up your saw blades. Not terribly, but pry them out. Or even grab, I forget what they're called. You just kinda, don't cut them, but just grip them, and you'll get a way better grip. Something I learned working at the auto shop. Thanks, George. So I have a plan, kinda. I'm gonna wing it, see what happens. I mean, we'll be fine over here, right? Look at that. Thanks, Home Depot. My fault, but look at that. These are both in the 8-foot pile. This one is the, what is it, 92.5 or something versus 96. Good old Home Depots. And people just picking through it, making a mess. It's not Home Depot's fault, it's everybody else. Let's face it. I plugged it in, didn't even fucking run the vacuum. Dummy. In my defense, doesn't do much on this thing. These saws are notoriously messy. So, we're gonna stick this one with this one. That's what mallets are for. Not the side of my fist. Look at that, look at that. Damn near perfect, but I want it like this. Now, I need a plane with tops. Just take the edges off of them and clean them up a bit. Oh, you can't. Oh yeah, check this out. Don't need me to turn that on. That's what out push has. Box is simple. Using this, it's like a 5-minute epoxy, real quick and easy. Stick it out, mix it up, throw it in the spot, level it out, kinda. It doesn't really level itself because it's really thick. Let that dry and I'll take care of it when I sand them down. Easy peasy, lemon cheesy. Do it. So let that dry, harden. 5 minutes, they say. Actually, I don't know if that was 5 minutes epoxy actually, maybe 20 minute, half hour, doesn't matter. Now I'll run through the planer again, because I'm lazy, I don't want to sand it. Flip it over, do the other side, let that harden, planer again. And then it's just cleaning up with the orbital sander. Lots of sanding. Check these out. Yeah. Here's the sit down. It is. Sit on there. Bam. Easy peasy. I'm gonna paint the legs because I'm lazy. It's easy, it's clean. It's quick, mostly quick. And I can like wood filler all the stuff that isn't perfect. Wood filler, sand, paint, legs done. Those, stain, sealer, done. Let's gotta figure out how I'm gonna attach it. That's not a today problem. Time to sand for life. I don't want to. Just a quick little update for this. I'm going to attach the tops to the frames. I'll be using these guys, little, like, I don't know what they're called, less hooky thingies, I don't know. Basically, put a little hole in, or a little whatever slot, I guess. That'll be on the frame. I'll set the tabletop on top, and then I'll just screw that in like that. I've made it a bit tight specifically, so that way when I screw this in, it'll clamp it down together rather than just floating. I did this one where a little low, so it fits right in, so you can see that. That'll prevent it from coming up, but it moves around too much more than I want. So here, I'm just going to, a little tighter, screw it in, clamps it in place. Should be good. Should allow for wood movement. So here we go. Let's get you some money shots. Ugh. That doesn't sound right. The best part is it doesn't matter where it goes because I can just put the board on top and just screw it into place, easy peasy. So here we go. Oh, can you hear that rain? You hear that rain? It sounds so good. I love the rain. Didn't wear my overalls, so hopefully I don't bring in too much dust. Alright, let's hook them up. Alright, got it all set up. So it should be as simple as take these, slide them in here like this. Grab all these off of the Amazons. You know, I think I buy the majority of my stuff. For screws, I don't have light, but for screws, I'm just using an 8 3/4. The problem is they're got a tapered head, which isn't ideal, but it's all I got, and you know, God bless. 6 screws, it should do her. Ideally, I mean, I'm assuming I should hold this thing down in place, but you know, fuck it. Again, we just gonna wing it because this is how I do it. Yeah, that moved a hair. That's kind of annoying. My thought process is hold down the middle and then do the corners, and hope for the best. All goes well. Table. Will it hold me? Yeah, I'm not happy about it. I'm gonna hold 200 pounds of pure sexiness. Next. Sorry for any family that watches this. I'm hilarious. Yeah. Oh, sweet. Okay. Set this down. Get it close because, you know, it's... If you want things built not square, I'm the guy. I got that down. Fuck sakes. Yeah, whatever. Make one end and we'll be good. Alright, 6 more of these fuckers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slam them in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see what? It doesn't really matter where you put them. You just kind of gotta guess. You know, I'm not putting any in the ends because I want the wood to be able to. I want it goes that way. It probably expands that way, which is probably problematic. But yeah, whatever. Just don't think it needs it on the ends, and I'm cheap, so that saves 4 of them, which could be a whole tabletop on a smaller table. Here we go. Remember how I said I was doing the middles first? Hey, Spider. How you doing, man? Where you going? You wanna come up? Here, come on up. I got you. Oh, where'd you go? I think I had him, and then I think he jumped. Just a daddy long legs, he'll be fine. Probably. And if not, well, I tried. The same height at least, so there's that. Good. Now to clean them off and put them in the right place. He's working, so I can't ask for help. And I want it done right now, so this is how we do. Fits. I didn't do a test fit. Glad. Glad that it fits, not that I didn't do a test fit. That was dumb. More plants. She can now have all the plants.